Hello guys, this is Madden Mobile Duo bringing you back another video. This is actually our first real video after we posted that video yesterday. Please subscribe to our channel. We got Nikolai with us today again, so say hi, Nikolai.
Hey guys, I got a 96 Percy Harving.
So I'm going to show them who you got yesterday before we start our pack opening. So let's show them who you got. Don't say anything. He got this DeMarco Bo Jackson kills a stat, but still.
That was yesterday.
Yeah, so that was pretty sick. Okay, so let's get into the Pro Pack opening. So I know a lot of people do this Pro Pack opening, but we're just going to do it in the beginning and see what you guys want us to do in the comments, and then we'll start making good videos.
I got a 90 HP and a 96 Percy Harving with punt returner.
Oh yeah, I have the Percy Harvin too.
He's better than what I had, so I mean, I'll take him. Whoa.
Okay, so far nothing good.
I have pretty bad. I haven't really gotten anything yet.
I mean, Nikolai has really bad luck in Pro Packs, but he did pull that DeMarco Murray 99. But I just opened up a couple of Pro Packs on the bus, and I actually got a couple of good pulls. I mean, I probably spent like $200K on Pro Packs. I got Julian Edelman 96, so I mean, that's not bad. I mean, it doesn't go for much, but, it's still an elite.
I'll take it.
It sucks that the signature pack came out. It's like, I'm not going to pay 4,000 cash for one pack, I promise you.
Yeah, it only gives you one player.
No, it gives you 6 players. Wait, no. Each signature pack contains 5 gold or better players, 3 trophies, 1 signature rookie, and a special signature elite.
Yes, but the special signature elite is the same exact stats as its regular cards. It just gives you XP and money.
Yes.
More. I got a 987 cornerback.
So, whatever you guys want us to do in Madden Mobile, you could say that in the description below. I mean, not the description, the comment sections. And we're really going to be, just tell your friends to subscribe, like, and yeah, we're ready to make this channel. We're probably going to post daily, right?
Yeah, probably. Most likely. But if we don't, it's because we caught up in sports or other things.
Yeah. But we don't have a job, so I think we'll be fine.
Yeah.
So I don't know, this is the biggest fail ever. I could not beat that Cowboys domination yesterday.
Dude, how? I beat it like 6 times and I got...
No, you know why? You know why? Because
I did. I got every single one I already had.
No,
like 4 times, sorry.
Yeah, because I want that Richard Sherman 99. I want that Richard Sherman 99.
Everyone wants him.
And what I'm trying to do is I pass it for a touchdown. He catches it, touchdown. There's like 40 seconds left, and then they score on me. And then just game over. So maybe I got to take my time while I score?
Yeah, no, like when you're like, if you're like 1 yard off, use that bow, so like waste out the clock and you win. And like last seconds, just run but win. And then if you have like 5 seconds you need to make it in, call timeout.
Yeah.
Then you only have like 3 seconds to run the ball.
So next video, we're probably going to be doing a team update review, right?
Yeah.
Quickly. Yeah, probably that. Oh, I got that guy. He's so weird. He's like wearing a hat. He's like a 54 cornerback. Why would they make a card like that?
I don't know. I have no clue.
So we are going to be doing a pack opening tomorrow. I hope it's a legendary pack, but it's probably not because, EA sucks.
Yeah, EA sucks. I'm kind of hoping it's going to be a legend, too.
Yeah, but the legend packs mostly give you collectibles.
They mostly give you collectibles, but I've seen people...
Oh, maybe they'll make a new set tomorrow.
What?
I said maybe they'll make a new set.
Yeah, maybe. Who knows?
The winter set? Maybe they'll probably make a new set tomorrow or something.
No, I bet you're going to make a Valentine's set.
A Valentine's set. What a good set. Maybe
Well, like,
maybe you'll get
I don't know.
maybe
like,
you'll get
like about Valentine's.
maybe you'll get a Richard
Valentine's attack or something.
maybe you'll get a Richard Sherman with a heart on it.
funny. I mean, no, like you know what I mean. Like something that's like, it's like whatever holiday's next. That's probably what they're gonna do.
Yeah, Valentine's is next. So are you opening Pro Packs?
Yes, I've been spamming them, and I've gotten nothing but a 96 per CRV.
Oh,
I've gotten other stuff.
Oh, I thought you bought him. I didn't know you got him in a Pro Pack.
No, I got him.
It's rare to get punt returners in Pro Packs, but.
Wait, who'd you say? Oh, oh yeah. I thought you said another player, and I thought you thought I said another player.
I mean, this is crap. I'm getting crapping nothing right now.
I don't know what's going on. Might have to end this video early.
Okay, well, please hit the subscribe button, the like button. We've been really getting.
No, don't end it yet.
Okay, we'll just stay around for a little bit. See if we get anything good. See if we get anything good here.
I'm going down to 5.
I hate how these servers are like so laggy. Okay. So if you want methods how to get more coins in the if you leave a comment you want to know how to get more coins besides sniping, because a lot of people do sniping. It's really kind of getting annoying. But I have a sniping method that's easy, but like you could still get it worth. But like I'm probably gonna tell you how to get more money. As you see right now, do I cheat, Nikolai? And I have a lot of money, right?
No, he does not cheat. He just has the best luck in packs and.
No, it's not because of that. Like I know how to get money fast. I mean, I give away some money to my friends, but that's just when I want them to have some money because they're kind of stuck at the game, like William. Yeah, I'll show you that guy's lineup soon. But yeah, that was really crap. So after this Pro Pack, we're gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Please leave the subscribe button, hit the like button. Tell them, hit the subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button and like button.
Yes, please do that. Advertise us,
one subscriber.
And we'll see you in the next.
Need more.
Yeah.
And more likers.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next video. And for everything Madden Mobile, we'll see.